In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Calendar date and time. If you need to reschedule a meeting, move an appointment to another day, or simply adjust the start and end time of an event. Google Calendar makes the process very quick. Once you know where to click, you can update an event in just a few seconds. To begin, open Google Calendar in your browser. When your calendar loads, look through your schedule and find the event you want to change. Click directly on that event to open its details. This gives you a quick preview of the appointment and lets you access the editing tools. From the event pop-up, click the Edit Event icon, which looks like a pencil. This opens the full event editor, where you can make changes to all of the event details. If you only need to update the date or time, this is the section you'll focus on. Under the event title, you'll see the date and time fields. Click the boxes for the current start and end date or time. From here, you can choose a new day, adjust the starting time, or update the ending time depending on what you need. If the event is moving to a completely different date, make sure both the date and time still match your intended schedule. If you're only shifting the time, double-check that the event duration still makes sense after the update. Take a moment to review the new schedule before saving. This is especially helpful if the event includes other guests or has a specific time window, because even a small change can affect attendance or overlap with other plans on your calendar. Once everything looks correct, click Save in the top right corner. Your event will immediately update with the new date and time. That's all it takes to change a Google Calendar event. It's a simple edit, but it's useful to be careful and confirm the updated details before saving, so your calendar stays accurate and organized. If you're managing a busy schedule, keeping your event times current can help prevent missed meetings and confusion later on. After saving, you can always reopen the event to confirm the change was applied correctly. And that's how to change Google Calendar date and time.